Hello guys, my name is Dominic by the name of Siabonga, aka the chart edit. Today I'm going to make a short video of what I just made yesterday. The video called the institutional trading strategies. You can also check it on YouTube. So today I wanted to talk about a easy way or a simple way of measuring the trend. How to measure the trend without using indicators, and it'll tell you where it's gonna turn without having to use any indicators, just by the mere look of my system or my way of trading the approach. So let me be quick, guys. Let me remove the grid. Okay. We can see that this trend started here. You can see that this trend started here. Some will argue and say, but why? What about this? I'm not interested to this. I'm not interested to this. I'm not interested to this, I'm not interested to this, I'm not interested to that. Either way, I'm only interested in the price. So this trend started from here to there. See, this is where it all gone. Started from here to there. If I were to draw this trend, I will do this. This is that. Okay, let's change the color and use a brighter color to depict our trend. I'll just do that, and then that. Let's just give it that. And then that's your initial state. That's the market maker model, and then whatever that it has been, according to Steve Mauro. I know most people like him. And then you also had that, another bit of retracement, and then eventually, boom. Not in all cases that you will find an M19, like in this case, something like this. Allow me to change the color to red. Okay, not necessarily that it's gonna be something like that. And then M13, boom. Not always it's gonna be something like that, but in this case you have this pattern. See, the candle pattern is what you had, but it's not where I am. What I'm talking about is just measuring of a trend, how to measure the trend using a very simple way of measuring. Okay, I'll just show you that. So allowing that the trend started from this point to that point, let us measure how many pips it's from here. Okay, it's from there to there. So what is that? 5.8, say 50. Say 5.850. This is what I'm gonna do. So it's 5.850, and then multiply by 0.705. Can you see that? And then the answer is 4124. 4124. Look at, as I'm measuring 4124, we have 4124 here, 4128, as you can see, it's here, 412. So what's the price there? 39231. The price is 39321. 39321. 39321. 39321. So that is where I am getting what? That 4124. I'm measuring on the trend. Okay, see 4124 is here. 31244. I'm sorry, it's 31244. I'm sorry, guys. It's 31234. Okay, yeah. So my measuring gave me this, that the price was gonna turn there. That's what I got, that the price was gonna turn there, expecting a reversal. Boom. See what has happened? Which is what? Which is this, like I've shown you in the pictures of one string. Yeah. See, and the W tested 1, 2, 3, and then come back, boom, and move out. Same thing again. Look at this price, 31200, the price I used to talk about. I'm gonna put this my template, which is this. Okay, see, let's say you want to be a buyer. Like I've said in any of my books, there are 4 places where you're gonna buy. It's the 200, as you can see here, the 500, the 800, and the 00s. Those are the only places you would want to buy. Okay, allow me to open both our chart so you can see this. See, this is what the 200. So now, why buy on the 200 or on the 800, or sell on 800 and sell on 200? The reason being, you only buy at this particular point when the market, when there are no fundamentals in the market, no important fundamentals. What are those important fundamentals? You will buy on the 500 here, or on the 00s when there are important fundamentals, namely the NFP, the CPI for JPY, and interest rates, or the government of the bad government are speaking or they have a speech. That's only when you're gonna be a buyer or a seller around these 00s and the 500. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We might expect this maybe here or back here, and then probably go out up like that, or else we might come back here and then go up. Okay, hope you guys are gonna find this. I know you're gonna download and repeat, share it with your friends, share it with your spouse and anyone. Just as your boy Maniac. Thank you.